Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. In today's video we will discuss golf ball roll exercise. Rolling a golf ball under the foot can help relieve discomfort in the arch and ease pain associated with plantar fasciitis. To do this exercise, sit up straight in a chair, with the feet flat on the floor. Place a golf ball, or another small, hard ball, on the floor next to the feet. Lay one foot on the ball and move it around, pressing down as hard as is comfortable. The ball should be massaging the bottom of the foot. Continue for 2 minutes, then repeat using the other foot. A frozen bottle of water can be a soothing alternative if no suitable balls are available.